Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I'm planning to work on a 12-inch by 12-inch wooden panel, and as you can see that I have already primed and painted the wooden panel, and it's pretty smooth, and you can see I also painted the back as well and taped on the back, so it's now ready to go. The base coat that I'm using today is Sherwin-Williams, and the name of the color is Cloudless. This is my first bottle of Sherwin-Williams that I bought. I find that it's a little bit thinner than Walmart brand, which is I'm not very like it's perfect for regular bloom, but for my flower blooms I think it's a little bit thinner, but since I bought it I'm going to use it anyway. And since it's a little thinner, what I'm doing is I am spreading it very thin, so my pillow or the base coat is going to be very thin layer. I guess I should call it a mattress, not a pillow, right? Anyway, so I am, after I spread, I am going to start with my flowers. First I'm going to use one of the colors to create the composition or the pattern that I'm going to do, and later on I will fill up the rest of the area with leaves, which is going to be green color. So for the first flower I am going to use, and this is the first time again I'm using my Groovy from TLP all the way. So the new first color that I'm going to use, there is nothing but TLP Groovy. Usually I mix paint and pigment together. Today I have not mixed any paint with the pigments. So here comes Groovy. The second flower color that I'm using is the combination of two pigments. One is Constellation and the second one is called Funk. Both of them are from TLP. So those are my two flower colors, and then I'm going to use green for my leaves. The secondary color that I'm going to use with the Groovy is called Shangria. That's also from TLP. And the secondary color that I'm going to use with the purple color is named Enchantment. So these are my colors that I'm using today. And also, of course, I'm going to use gold because gold brings up the richness on the flowers. And so now I'm going to play some music, enjoy and relax. I'll come by towards the end. So this is my finished product. I think it turned out really pretty. I'm quite happy with this. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section what do you think and what can I change. If you want me to, how can I improve my work? It always helps me, and I value your opinion. So until next time, thank you very much.